There's a way you can create your virtual card using Affinity by Canva. I have been using Affinity by Canva for the past 6 months now, and I never realized this. If you want to create your virtual card using Affinity by Canva, let me show you. But before then, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet. Hit the notification bell to stay posted for all my videos. This is how you can create your QR code using Affinity by Canva. Plus, I will show you a few artworks using this QR code I generated for myself. The first thing to do is to ensure you are in the vector studio, and then you click on your rectangle tool. So here are the shape tools you can select from. This is the QR code tool. You click on it and then you drag to draw it like this. You can change the color for this, and then let me select a background color. This is the QR code. We need to make this a virtual QR code. What I mean is to make it usable. With the layer selected, there's this option here, data. I click on this. This QR code is set to text, so I can type something here and then I just press enter. But here's the case, we want the virtual card. I drop this arrow down and then you see this VCard. So the VCard means virtual card, and you can see I already have my details there. This is super cool. And then the next thing I just do is to click on OK. The moment I scan this code, it's going to review this details here on your phone. There's so many options. If you don't want to go with this virtual code, there's the phone, there's SMS, there's email, WhatsApp, FaceTime. So if you are using iPhone, you probably see this. And then location, Wi-Fi, if you want to share your Wi-Fi with somebody. But for now, we are working with VCard, which is the virtual card. So this is how you can create it. Very simple and very easy. Here are the artworks I created using this QR code. This is the first design I want to show you. I had an idea of, just creating something, being creative. So the hidden codes, everything you see here is made up of shapes. There's nothing here which I downloaded. There's so many things you can do with shapes because everything around you is made up of shapes. Per the creative idea I had, this is what I did. There's a secret camera here, just creating something, and then you can see the sign, the danger sign. I just, had to replicate it in there. And here is the QR code. So as you can see, this is the QR code. So this is displaying the QR code. I also had the idea of adding this. So 4th floor. So on the 4th floor, you get to a room where it has the hidden code. And what's the hidden code? The hidden code is my virtual code. This is the second artwork I did. This one here represents the virtual card. So this is how it looks like. I had to resize it in the perspective view so that it makes it look as if this card is resting on this table here. This is the full image of the card. So this is how it looks like. So you can scan this code right now if you are having your phone beside you so that you can see what I'm talking about. This works 100%. Have you ever heard of Rumble, a video streaming platform just like YouTube? You can find me on Rumble using the link in my description. So if you found this video very helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave your comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.